Magandang buhay!
Hello!
Ano po yung gagawin natin ngayon, madam?
Unboxing of the new car,
What is that new car?
Geely GX3 Pro Comfort.
Ano po na ang kanyang car?
Like,
Wow! So ito po yung makikita natin sa likod ng Geely GX3 Pro.
It's here.
Ayan. Ayan po, GX3 Pro.
I'm taking the brown line, minding my business. Then it's your stop and I can't help myself. Searching the platform for a glimpse of your profile.
Hi, congratulations nga pala sa inyong bagong sasakyan. Ito yung Geely GX3 Pro. Congratulations po.
Gusto ko yung yung logo nila, tsaka yung bumper kasi parang lang siya, classic style, tsaka neat.
Ibang available colors ng Geely.
Sa pagkakaalam ko may blue, gray, red. Pero pinili ko yung white kasi parang siya, neat and
I'd recognize you even after a while. You felt like you were flying when the train crossed the river. Pretend that I am flying, soaring with you. No, it could never come true. I take the train often, it's become my refuge. A break from all the things that I have to do with the rumbling and jolting.
Ayan na po, buksan na po natin ang front seat ng kanan. Makikita natin sa loob.
direct lang.
From top. So ito po makikita natin sa top.
Pwede hindi may i-open lang.
Okay. Ito po yung may twist pa talaga dito, no?
Sige.
Dahil pwede po natin i-open. Itong top na tinatawag natin sunroof. OMG. Look at that. Oh, look at that. The view. Diba?
Hindi ma-open sa ng glass actually.
Open? How?
Feelings, something to show for my sorrows. You felt like you were flying when the train crossed the river. It was your favorite part of the ride.
Hala, nice dito eh. Oh my goodness, look at this. Nice, hayag kayo te.
Pero ma-open siya, pero dapat na siya i-press. Di pa mong ko kabaw.
Lagi. Hala, hayag kayo. Kapag ka diya. Ang ganda po talaga. Ang nice ng car ninyo. So, Geely, ito po yung kalaban ng Raze. Yes.
Yung mga Kia Stonic.
Oh my goodness, look at that. So, ito po yung nasa driver seat.
Oh, hindi pa siya na-on. Yan ni dire. Direct lang awa.
Pang igang na siya. So, meron din compartment dito. Lagayan ng kung ano-ano.
Water, yung mga need na control temperature, malagay mo dyan for a while. But not jud ka ng mga dugay. At least temporary, like mga 10 minutes, 20 minutes.
So, ayan ang kanyang panel.
Tsaka eto, may butas na glass.
Okay. So, sa ibang sasakyan, wala yan.
Oh, wala.
Okay. Tapos
Dito, musigan siya dira.
Okay. Anong meron dito? So, iilaw to.
Electronics mo.
Well, there's something about the weather when we're out on our own. Something about the path that leads us forever home. We don't need a reason, just changing with the seasons, following the feeling in our souls. Now that you're with me, we're chasing daylight and we're soulfully alive.
Lagi. Yun, kanina yung likod. Wala ito makita. Look at that. So cute.
End of the day, and the wind walks by our side. We'll fly through the rivers and we'll swim through the sky. Nothing can bring us down when it's you and I. Now that you're with me, we're chasing daylight and we're soulfully alive. And I can't believe.
Ito. Ang belt. Kung gusto ka kung gusto mong mag-grocery, marami yung groceries mo. So, pwede natin ilagay dito. Kung dalawa lang kayo nagta-travel, di ba? Ayos. Okay. Nice one. Balik natin.
And I can't believe the world's still turning and we're hopelessly alive. You, me, and the sunrise. You, me, and the sunrise. And oh, this golden road leads us on forever home. Now that you're with me, we're chasing daylight and we're so fully alive. Into the sunrise, letting it all go. 'Cause when you're with me, we're chasing daylight, we're so fully alive. Oh, I can't believe the world's still turning and we're hopelessly alive. You, me, and the sunrise. You, me, and the sunrise.
Maraming salamat po sa inyong car. Congratulations po again, Mr. Rainer Vera. And,
Salamat.
thank you, bye!